Opening Gemini app in Android mobile. When I use voice chat, Gemini can't start when another app is using the microphone. Error occurs. Solution: find out the app which is using your phone's microphone and close it. Since I am in call, phone app is using microphone, so close the phone app. Now I can use voice chat without error. I am in Zoom meeting. Consider I am in Zoom meeting. At this time, when I try to use voice chat in Gemini app, the same error occurs. So close the Zoom app and try Ask Gemini with voice chat feature. Subscribe.